Hello and welcome to another video here at AV Forums. We're here in one of our testing rooms and we're taking a look at Yamaha's new RX-A850 7-channel AV receiver. The A850 retails for £899, and although this is a review sample, it should be identical to one that you would find in a store. So let's open up the box and see what's inside. Okay, well first of all we have the power lead that uses a kettle style connector. Next up we have the remote control. As you can see, there are quite a few buttons on this remote control, although the important ones are here in the middle with things like volume and navigation controls. Attractive two-tone effect, comfortable to hold and easy to use. Very nice remote control. And then we have the microphone, which you use with the auto EQ setup. And there's a connector here for a tripod if you want to use that when you're doing the auto EQ. And in here we have all the other accessories. So what have we got? First of all we have some batteries for the remote control. An aerial for the FM tuner. An aerial for the AM tuner, some warranty information, and the manual on a CD-ROM. Okay, now we'll take the actual receiver out of the box so we can get a better look at the controls on the front and the connections on the rear. Okay, looking at the front panel of the receiver, you can see there's an on-off button here, input control here, there's some basic controls here, the display is here, there's a volume control over here, you can select pure direct mode by hitting this button here, and then there's some scene selections here, BD, DVD, TV, net and radio. And then behind this drop down flap we have a headphone socket, a USB port, a couple more controls, composite video input and analog input, additional HDMI input, and also the connector for the setup microphone. At the rear are the majority of the connections, starting with this aerial here, which is for the built-in wireless. It also has built-in Bluetooth, and it supports Yamaha's new MusicCast multi-room system. There are 7 HDMI inputs at the rear, plus 1 at the front, making 8 in total, and 2 HDMI outputs here. This one supports ARC, audio return channel, and these 2 outputs and these 3 inputs here all support HDCP 2.2, giving it a degree of future-proofing. We have an Ethernet port over here if you want to do a wire connection rather than wireless, and an RS-2320 connector here. Here are all the speaker terminals, and this receiver supports Dolby Atmos. We've got pre-outs here, 7.2 pre-outs. We also have analog inputs here. There's composite video and component video inputs, and optical and coaxial digital inputs here. Interestingly, there's a phono stage here for connecting this receiver to a turntable. And then there's a trigger out here and infrared remotes in and out here. And that's it for our first look at Yamaha's new RX-A850 7.2 channel AV receiver. You can read the full review at avforums.com/reviews. You can also see more videos at avforums.com/videos. And why not follow us on Twitter? And like us on Facebook. Thanks for watching.